Hello and welcome. Let's work through question 15 together. A particle moves with velocity v equals 4 minus t. We're told that at time 2 seconds its distance from O is 7 meters, and we need the distance when t is 4 seconds. The key rule here is that displacement is the integral of velocity. Velocity tells us how fast the distance is changing, so to get the distance back, we integrate. Integrate 4 minus t with respect to t. The integral of 4 is 4t, and the integral of t is t squared over 2. Don't forget the constant of integration, c. So s equals 4t minus t squared over 2 plus c. Now we find that constant c using the information we were given. That at time 2 seconds, the distance s is 7 meters. We substitute those in. Put t equals 2 and s equals 7. 4 times 2 is 8. And 2 squared over 2 is 2. So 7 equals 8 minus 2 plus c. 8 minus 2 is 6. So 7 equals 6 plus c, which means c is 1. So the complete rule for the distance is s equals 4t minus t squared over 2 plus 1. Finally, put t equals 4. 4 times 4 is 16, and 4 squared over 2 is 8. So s is 16 minus 8 plus 1. 16 minus 8 is 8, plus 1 is 9. So the distance is 9 meters. So our answer is 9 meters, when t is 4 seconds. Well done. That's question 15 complete.